Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharu here. If you guys don't know me, और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे काफ़ी सारे कपड़े हैं. So I'll be showing you a Geo and a mini H&M haul. So let's get started with the video. So the first piece that I got from a Geo is this beautiful shirt dress. I just love this dress. It is very comfortable for summers, and also I got this dress for just 494 rupees, and I love the material. It is cotton and it is very comfortable. If you're wearing this dress on a very hot day, I don't think you'll feel as if you're wearing anything. But yeah, it is that sort of a dress because it's not that tight, it is loose as you can see. And also I like that this dress has a pocket, which makes it a plus point, because having a dress with a pocket is like a miracle, what I feel, because usually you don't get a pocket with a dress. So that is one thing, and I love this dress, and I will put the link in the description, so if you want you can buy it as well. The second thing that I got is this beautiful top, and I just love this color red and the print also that is written love. And I got this top just for 200 rupees. The material of the cloth is cotton, and I got it this in small size, and I tied it like this because I just saw it in a Geo. The girl was tying it like this and I really loved it. That is why I bought this top. So I'm in love with this top. It really suits me as well. The next thing that I bought is this amazing white jeans, and I just love it. It's a spiker, and I got it around 948 or something like that, and I love the material. The material is very nice and it fits me really good. My waist size is 28, and then I'll just quickly show you. It has these cuts, which I really love, and it's really trendy. So yeah, the next thing that I got is this shirt. I really love the color of this shirt, and I got it just for 350 rupees. I'm wearing an extra small size, and the best thing that I like is that the sleeve is not long, because usually whenever I'm buying a shirt, the sleeve is long, so which is a no-no for me, and I really don't like it. But I'm happy this time that the sleeves are not long, so yeah, I really love it. And the material is cotton, and it really looks cute on me. Let me know in the comment section if you think the same. Thing that I got from Ajio is like one of my best thing that I got is this beautiful heels, and I just love this color, and I'm in love with this color green. It really suits me, and these are quite comfortable, and I love the material, and it is not expensive as well. I think I got it for around 4 to 500. I really don't remember the price, so I'll link it in the description, so that even if you want to buy, you can buy this heels. So yeah, that's it. And now let's move to the H&M haul. So the things that I got from H&M is like quite few things that I got, and the first thing that I got is this jersey top, and I got this top just for 199 rupees because I got a 50% discount. So yeah, I really love it, and the material is also good. It is cotton as usual, because I love cottons in summer, because I think cotton is really good for summers. So yeah, you should wear cotton more in summers. So this is the top, and I really love how it fits me. So yes, this is what I got. And then I got this beautiful shirt. It's a crop shirt, and this is also cotton, and I got a small size, and I'll show you. I really love how it turns out, and it looks really beautiful. This one was around 799 rupees, and it's really beautiful. The last thing that I got from H&M is this beautiful body hugging dress. I just love the material. It's cotton as usual, and then I love the color. it really suits me and it matches with the heels that I got from Ajio. So that was one thing that I wanted to match, and then I really love it. And I got this for 799 rupees, and I got this in extra small size. And this was it with the video, and I hope you guys liked it, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.